It's the Gaming Junkie Show with your host Taylor, where you learn how to do everything from playing video games to setting up Exile and Epoch servers. My wife calls me a gaming junkie, but I don't agree with her. Hello everybody, a video for an Exile server. Today I'm going to show you how to add loot to your server and everything. So let's get started. First thing you're going to need is a couple mods. And the best thing to do is you're going to need, Cup Terrain Core, Cup Terrain Maps, Exile, and I use Exile mod Loot Position Creator. And then also you need to go to Exile, and you're going to need to download the Loot Table Compiler. And I'll put a link in the description for that. Plus, you're also going to need loot position. Where yet? I'll do it this way. Where is it? Where is it? You're going to need this, which I'll put a link in the description, and plus it tells you to make sure you put the makefile DSL, in your Armor 3 directory. And as you can tell, let me get to it. I've already done that. And where is it? I'm positive I put it in there. Well, I guess it didn't. So, okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to open up the folder. I understand. We're going to go here to it, and we're going to copy this and then paste it in here. Alright. Now that that's done, we're going to start up the game. And while that's going, I'm going to go ahead and pause the game. Alright, now that when the game's open up, you go into editor. We're going to choose this map again.
See you soon.
Sorry, I was on TeamSpeak. Wait for the map to come up. Now we're going to go ahead and let's just go to the airport. That way there's less buildings and everything. We're going to go here. Now we're going to place a character. Rifleman's good enough. Let it do its thing. And then we're going to place an aerial. Alright, now that we're here, see the yellow ball, people? We're going to run in this building. Now, if we did everything right, the name of the building should pop up. We're going to hit 1. Select the building category, and since this is, we're going to call this industrial. Then we're going to go over here, we're going to find a spot, we're going to zoom in. I think the ball has to be like dead set in the middle. Then we're going to choose the location. Push 2 to save it. 2. Then we're going to come over here. Do the same thing here. 2. Let's leave the bubble like right there, like barely touching it. And then we're going to place one. Bring the ball back to me. Where are you going, ball? Well, the ball's screwing up. Wow. We'll bring this back down to 0. There we go. Then we're going to walk forward. The ball's gotten bigger. Huh. Oh, come on, people. We're going to bring this back down to 0. There we go. Now we're going to place the ball right on the ground here. One there. And now we're going to go right in here. Oh, where'd that damn ball go now? There it is. We'll go here. Oh, come on. This is why I hate sometimes doing this. Go in there. Go in there. Go in there. And why not on the bottom? Now that that's done, we're going to hit .26 positions created. Wow. Well, creation complete. Now push 5. File, loop position. Alright. Now it says data copied to clipboard because file make file was present and loop position was not created. Okay. So now we're going to exit out of here. Exit out of the editor. Actually, let's just minimize it. Now we're going to open up YouTube. We're going to create a new file. No, don't leave it. Create a new file. And hit B. And as you can tell, industrial station. Wow, that's a lot of places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, now that this file's done, what you want to do is go up here, save. Save as, yeah, let's just label it new one. I'll show you what we're going to do with this in a minute. Now what you want to do now is go into your downloads folder, into, then unzip this, open up this, which is this. And then what I like to do on this is rename the loot table to loot table 1. And same for loot item group. And put it in 1 at the end. And then open them both in Notepad++. Then what we're going to do now is go down here, and I think the only thing we created was industrial. So we're going to go down here, we're going to find industrial and just delete. I mean, if you go through and put, all the stuff in at all the locations, you can add stuff to this, like whatever's not here, you can add from the loot group, which is right here, food, weapons, that kind of stuff. Pistols, as you can tell, loot group, where's pistols, ammo. But all we're going to do is put food and water. So what we're going to do now is leave the food and leave the water, and we're just going to delete everything else. And now we're going to save it as, might as well in here, loot group 1, so we're going to change that to loot group. We're going to close that, but just remember, all you got is food and drink. And now what we're going to do is try to remember what we had before, industrial. So we're just going to delete all the stuff other than industrial, which is right there. Make sure I just didn't delete something I needed. Nope. Alright, industrial. Now we're just going to add in 50%, and then food, and then 50% for drinks. I think that's what it's called, right? Where's it? Food and drinks, okay. And now we're going to delete the rest. Now we're going to save this one as the same file, but just take out 1. Alright, now we can close these out. Leave that open. Now what we're going to do is hit the compiler and open up the loop table. Minimize this part because we don't need it. And as you can tell, it created just the food and drink. See? Fresh bottled water. Here's all the drink, and here's all the food. And just to double check on this. Whoops, wrong one. Yeah, wrong one. Wrong one again, darn it. Group. There's all the drink, there's all the food. So what we're going to do now is copy this, select all, copy. Now what we're going to do is go into your Exile server. into your Exile server add-ons, unpack Exile server config, delete the old one, and as you can tell, I already went ahead and deleted it. So since this is the buildings, what we're going to do is click that, add that into there. And as you can tell, that put in. So now what we're going to do is minimize this, go into the loot table now, copy all of this, and now put it in the loot. And now save the file, exit, minimize that, back up on that, repack this, delete the file, and now start the server. And while the server's starting up, I'll be right back. Alright everybody, my server has unlocked, so now we're going to go into... Oh, I forgot, we can't have this open. So, close this. Exit out of the game. Because you got to make sure you do not have the loop positioner, or you'll get an error. Alright, I'll pause the game until this is up. Alright everybody, my game's back up and running. Click on server, recent. Thank you. Join, password. Counting bottle taps. Bottle taps. Lone camper. Planning script mode. Blah 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 blah. Like what they've done to the loading screen. Put these funny sayings in it. Even more loading. Yep. Locating campers. Come on, people. Doing something. Welcome to our server. Thank you. Watch it be night time. Yeah, damn it, it's still night. Alright, I'm gonna do a little cheat here. Now we're gonna go in and look for loot. And as you can tell, all the loot's in there. What in the world? That one's hanging off. Yep. See what else got looted, put in here. I think that's it. I should have turned the loot up, but as you can tell, this is some of the spots I chose. So that's pretty much how you put loot in. Wonder why it didn't allow me to do it more. I don't think it generated it in here. Nope, didn't generate in there. So that's pretty much, people, how you put in loot in a building and everything. So alright. Take all. Ooh, we'll drink some chocolate milk. If this was me in real life, I'd be hurting right now because I'm lactose intolerant. Alright. Let's look at this stuff. See what this is. instant coffee. Alright. Well, people, if this video helped you, come on, show your support. Hit the donate button. Plus, if you like the way I did the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I also take requests. These videos, the last couple ones I've uploaded, were by request, so hope they help out. Thanks for watching.